Hello everyone, I'm Ruchi Agrawal. Currently, I'm pursuing my master's in the Business Management program of XLRI Jamshedpur. I am a chartered accountant by profession. I have done my articleship from PricewaterhouseCoopers in the Internal Audit Department for 3 years. I cleared my CA final examination in May 2018 with an All India rank 21. Post-qualification, I worked in Indian Oil Corporation for 2 years in their marketing division as the part of the finance team. Then I decided to go for my master's and gave various entrance examinations including that and landed up in XLRI. The first one would be the preparation of the entrance examination, that is that, and the second one would be how I prepared for the process after that, that is GD and PI round. So to prepare for that, when I first decided that I want to appear for entrance examinations, I started brushing up the concepts of quantitative ability, that is maths. I also started reading the basics of DI and LR. That is a little different from other entrance examinations because it has got sections like decision making and general knowledge. To strengthen the same, I started reading a lot of newspapers and I downloaded a lot of news apps in my phone so that I can read news in a handy manner even when I'm traveling or if free in office. It helped me a lot in the preparation of my verbal ability section also. I made sure that I invested at least 2 to 3 hours on a daily basis for my preparation. On an overall level, I joined online test series because I believe that unless I will not sit for those 3 hours long test in a time-bound manner, I won't come to know about my preparation level. Before the ZAT examination day, I had given 30 ZAT mock tests. Secondly, to prepare for my GD and interview round, I again focused a lot on reading the news. And not only reading, I started discussing them with my friends so that I'm prepared for the GD round. And for the interview round, I brushed up my concepts of my academics that I did 2 years ago in my CA final studies. Also, I gave a lot of mock interviews to prepare. The biggest challenge that I faced during my preparation was in regard to time management. And I'm sure all those who are working would face similar challenges in pulling out time from their busy schedule to study. These MBA entrance examinations require you to study for at least 2 to 3 hours on a daily basis, and you already are having a tight packed schedule. So to overcome that, I try to minimize my non-value added time as much as possible and utilize that time. For example, I had a traveling time of 2 hours, so I tried to read news, books, and other concepts in that time. I also tried to utilize the free time or idle time that I had in my office hours. The second challenge I faced was in the preparation of quantitative ability section. As I was not from an engineering background, it has been a while since I studied maths, and I knew that I was very behind from other students when it came to this subject. So I invested more time in this. I gave more mock tests for this subject alone to come at par with my competitors in the entrance examinations. There is one more challenge that those people who are working can face. That I faced was in terms of attention span. Because you left your studies a while back and now you'll have to again do it, you might find it difficult to focus or sit for long hours to study initially. But if you are dedicated enough and if you push yourself, then I think you'll be able to overcome that also. There is one advice that I want to give you all. People try to give all their energy to one entrance exam, but you don't know that what will happen on the exam day. Sometimes you're not feeling well or not in the right state of mind, and you're putting your entire 1 year at stake. I received this advice from a number of people that don't just stick to one particular examination like CAT and explore more about other examinations like that. And I'm glad that I followed it. And there is one thing that I want to tell you, that joining XLRI must have been the best decision of my life. The quality of education and intellectual level of my peers astounds me each and every day. So if you're able to make to XLRI, that would be the biggest moment of your life. Work hard and give your best. All the best for your examinations.